What is up? We got vegan pizza.
Yes, we did.
My man bought it for us. And we're gonna do a taste test.
Oh my god. It's fully vegan.
Oh my god.
Look at that. That looks amazing.
My god. The way phones eat first in this house. Taste test time. Oh, cheers.
That is amazing. That is insane.
How could that not hit? I mean,
that looks amazing. It looks amazing, tastes amazing. The bread's like really nice and puffy. The cheese is cheesing.
It's thin crust, but it's not too thin. I like that because at Vegan Deal we had that pizza, but it was like too thin, I feel. This pepperoni tastes like no other vegan pepperoni I've like ever had. Like it has a bit of a kick to it almost. What would you rate it out of 10, babe?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. It's so good. It's like one of the best vegan pizzas I've ever had.
I'd probably give it like a 9 out of 10. And I only say that because I do love thicker crust. So I wish the crust was maybe a little thicker. That's just my personal preference though. Like the flavor is freaking amazing. But anyways, folks, we are going to finish the pizza inside, I think. So thank you for joining us on this little taste test. And just know that we have a lot more vegan taste tests coming all the time.
All the time.
All the time. Like and subscribe.
Absolutely.
We'll see you soon. What is it, babe?
It's a eucalyptus.
Wow, the hummingbird keeps landing on there. We are going to get our first look at the Airbnb. I'm excited. Are you excited, babe?
Very excited.
This is so cute. Oh my gosh. All these apartments are so cute. I love it. Found it, babe.
Found it.
Realizing we almost walked into somebody's apartment. That was in fact not our Airbnb. Oh my god. Proving it's eucalyptus. Is it?
Smell it.
It smells good. Oh my
eucalyptus,
god.
I told you.
It's a different variety though, huh?
No.
Than the one you usually see.
This is eucalyptus.
It smells really good, guys. Be careful, babe. Yeah. Eucalyptus secured. Now we're headed to our actual proper Airbnb. Okay, so we made it to where our actual Airbnb is. And it looks so cute. I'm so excited. So cute. Obsessed. Oh, look at the bird of paradise. So beautiful. So excited. It doesn't open. We have the wrong house again.
Okay.
Imagine.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Always gotta remind the American boyfriend. It's like, oh, shit. Y'all, a tour. What's in here? Oh my god, babe, look at this. What is this? The washroom? Turn on the light, babe. Oh, look at the little mushroom light. So cute. Let's see the shower. Super cute and spacious.
Super clean. That's nice.
That's so cute. Some space to like
Look
get
at that.
ready. Oh, look. Washer and dryer. So needed. So cute. Oh my gosh. The wallpaper. The wallpaper.
Oh yeah.
Look at this.
Oh wow. Have a coffee there?
Have a matcha. You have a coffee. I'll have a matcha. Oh my gosh. And look, you can access it from the other side too. So let's go see. This is so cute. My baby did a good ass job with this one.
Right.
Damn. Okay, here's the kitchen.
Oh, look at that.
The kitchen is so nice, babe.
Babe, look at your space to work.
And my space to work with the salt lamp. Oh my gosh. That's so cute, babe.
I specifically wanted a working desk area for you because I know you'll be working.
I love you.
I love you, babe.
This is probably like the best Airbnb we've stayed at. It's so cute.
You need a comfortable spot to work, babe.
And this is so like me. Like, look how cute this is. Like, I love this and like the rattan. This is just speaking to me. Artwork here. Look at the little bar cart. It's a little gold bar cart. We can make some mocktails. You can add alcohol to yours if you want.
Oh yeah.
You make me a mocktail.
Saturday and Sunday is a go-to.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Can we go into there? What's in here? Oh, a closet.
Look at all these spices.
Babe, look.
Oh yes.
If we make a mess. Oh my god, they have a lint roller. Which is insane because I forgot to bring a lint roller.
I forgot to bring mine too. Vacuum, they got the whole nine.
They have everything. This layout is so cute.
They even got a yoga mat.
Look, babe.
They got a yoga mat.
Small steps every day.
Yoga mat. They got a roller.
Oh, I'm gonna say less. I'm gonna be doing my Pilates up in this living room.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna use that roller for my back because I.
Oh yes, his back is crazy and he's young. Oh my gosh.
I work a lot. I work a lot.
He's a hard-working man. This is stunning. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. They have a what?
A Vitamix.
There's a freaking Vitamix.
There's
Guys, we had to. I was
We're
gonna
gonna
end the
make
clip.
fat smoothies now. Look at that.
Oh my god, I was gonna end the clip, but then we started finding more. Look at all this
Coffee
Folgers for you,
maker.
babe.
That's so blessed.
And then show them what we found in the fridge.
We found some
They got the goods.
almond cream.
Silk. Vegan, baby.
That's so
That's
blessed.
perfect for my baby.
Got
And
enough
they have a
ice.
bunch of ice in here. Oh, what's that? Oh, baking soda. And they also have a bunch of spices,
I
which
bought some,
if
but
you are...
This is awesome.
Yeah, we always bring some to like Airbnbs, but if you are an Airbnb host, one thing that you have to include is spices because it's just so underrated. Like every time we go somewhere for like multiple weeks, it's like you don't want to have to bring all this stuff. So it's like such an extra
You have the lights on.
bonus. Look, babe, life is better when you surf. And this bowl for our little fruits. We have to stock up on some fruit. Oh, they have some containers. Oh, agave for, oh my god. Bless you, babe.
Thank you.
Agave, I was wondering what I was gonna put in my
We can make
matcha.
oatmeal.
I can pull with coconut oil. I've been wanting to pull more with coconut oil because I forgot to this week.
Make pancake. We can do the whole nine.
Oh my god, this is perfect.
Oh, and they got the good seasoning too.
They got the good seasoning. Chicken. Oh,
Yeah, well,
I don't know if that's vegan or not, but we'll have to try.
It's vegan.
Some cute little coffee cups, babe. Look, good morning.
French toast.
Oh fuck, I just banged the shit out of my camera. Okay, y'all, we are going to get our bags and shower, get clean, and we'll probably see you after because we might run to the store.
Yes.
So we'll see you soon. Guys, we just opened another cupboard and found sweet and salty caramel corn. That's vegan. Wow.
And kosher.
And kosher. For the Jews, I mean. Me. A million tissue boxes because we're always crying together. In a good way.
In a good way.
But yeah, anyways, we will see you soon. Guys, we are going to Whole Foods because it's literally a 6-minute walk away from where we're staying. We thought we were gonna shower first, but no, we're being dirtbags because we are so tired. We want to shower and then relax.
We're tired and smelly.
We are tired and very smelly. As you can imagine, sweating all day. I was at the airport, blah, blah, blah. So we're gonna head over to Whole Foods. We're gonna get matcha, tofu, probably some just eggs, some fruits, some veggies for tomorrow because Ricky has to work. Lame, everyone say boo.
We're making money though, so it's fun.
He's making money for us though. It's very good, but I'm gonna miss him dearly. So yeah, change of plans. We're heading over to Whole Foods and we'll see you guys there. because my man spent $250. So we're gonna show you everything that we got for $250 US in Thousand Oaks, California. So first, for like sugar cookie shortbread,
strawberry shortbread,
vegan obviously. We got pulp-free coconut water. I prefer pulp, but he doesn't prefer pulp. Then we got some cereal because he's gonna be working in like the mornings and like afternoons.
Yeah.
And I am gonna have a lot of editing to do, so it's always good for me to have quick things. We got saltine crackers for cheese and crackers, but also because we got some soups. Freezer items, we got just egg. We like to make breakfast sandwiches, and also the Gardein Ultimate Breakfast Sausage. We always love making breakfast sandwiches. And then we also got a lavender soap, which smells so good. We're so excited to use that. Egg number 2, thanks baby. Dave's Killer Bread. 21 whole grains and seeds, so it has 5 grams protein, 5 grams fiber, 22 grams of whole grains, and 260 milligrams of ALA omega-3. We have raspberries, strawberries, pumpkin spice, vegan yogurts, corn tortillas for tacos and chilaquiles.
Of course.
Beyond Meat for the tacos. Rice. I have never tried these, neither has he. They're all Gardein. This is the chicken noodle. This is the chicken and rice. Minestrone sauces. So we got Hearts of Palm because I love snacking on these. Forager Project Probiotic Cashew Milk Yogurt Smoothie. 1 billion probiotic CFUs per serving. And obviously it's vegan, dairy free. We got the deodorant here. So it is a Palo Santo. Oh, it smells so good. The deodorant I have right now is giving me rashes and it's not a vibe. Got the Bonza, I think that's how you say it. Penne pasta with pinto beans. This is the English muffins that we got for the breakfast sandwiches. They were all out of whole wheat. I usually always get whole wheat, but then we got some matcha. This is apparently made by Pete's Coffee. Some spooky cookie cutters. My man said we're gonna need these, so
Surprise.
it'll be a nice surprise apparently, so I'm excited. And I said I like pulp, so I had to get the coconut water with pulp, especially after a flight. Like, I'm so dehydrated, and my lips are dry as shit. I cannot wait to just shower and slather myself in like lotion and a bomb. My man got this organic super shake on the go vanilla, 16 grams of protein, by the same brand as this one that I'm gonna be drinking either tomorrow or sometime this week. Got some Just Egg. We're gonna get this other brand, Khalifa, but then we saw this Nut Pods one. It's a almond and coconut creamer, limited edition, pumpkin spice. Apparently it's unsweetened and dairy free. The other one was just huge, and this one was like less than $3, I think.
That's
so
super cheap. Yeah, it was like,
it's more reasonable. Like, we don't need a huge one. We also got another coconut water because we go through it a lot.
Really?
Unsweetened soy milk. I put my man onto soy milk.
No, you did.
I did. I turned him into a soy boy, and it's like my favorite thing ever because soy is my favorite, and it's also the highest protein. And it's just amazing. Flour tortillas for the burritos. We're gonna got a toothbrush. I think it's a bamboo toothbrush. We got 4 blocks of tofu. My personal favorite is when it's like super firm or like medium firm. My man makes the best tofu ever. I literally crave it when we're not together.
That's facts.
It is so good. I love it so much. We got the soy rizo, probably for like breakfast tacos, plant-based cheddar, and also the plant-based deli slices, hickory smoked. Probably just gonna make some sandwiches with this. We got 2 mangoes. We got some Persian cucumbers for snacks. So good. Vegan butter for like the sandwiches. What is the tomato sauce that we got? We're trying the organic Italian herb pasta sauce. It says there's no sugar added. We also got some asparagus. Okay, tell them your life hack.
Usually if you get thicker asparagus, it tends to be like the second harvest. So usually we get thinner ones. They're always a lot more tender and, in my opinion, more tasty. So
very good.
Get thinner ones.
There's a little life hack from a veggie farmer.
I promise you.
Veggie farmer.
You like them a lot more.
Listen to him, guys. There is a bunch of bananas we got.
It's good potatoes.
Red skin. Potatoes. I think my man's probably gonna put those in like a breakfast taco.
Probably.
That is the last bag. This is how long the receipt was. Oh my gosh. The total was $247. I feel like that was okay considering it's literally Whole Foods. Half of it's like organic. We're in California. Like I feel like it's okay. We also got things besides groceries. Like we got deodorant, we got... Oh, he's showing me the beautiful fruit bowl. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I mean, that's kind of everything we got. We're hoping that this lasts us.
Right.
I think it will, and we can also repurpose a lot of the items. Like we're good at like making most of what we had because we always have to do that in Airbnbs. Like
and we always go out to eat anyways.
We eat out a lot, but we're trying to budget. Says every couple ever, but then they end up going out to eat anyways.
We're going to Monty's.
We're going to Monty's soon, and obviously we'll bring you guys along with us. But yeah, we're super tired. I hope you enjoyed all of these things. I have a few more surprises to show you. Hold up. My man made me a spooky basket. A boo basket.
Boo basket.
A boo basket from my boo.
There was also
beware the witching hour. He also got me an air tag. What is this? Oh wow, I didn't see this till literally right now. This is my favorite chocolate ever. I am a dark chocolate girly forever. These are super sweet, but they're good occasionally. And then these, I thought you could only find them in California, but I've actually been finding them in Canada. It's just the protein cookies. And then some cute other little spooky items. I love you.
I love you, babe.
Thank you, babe. And then I'll show you guys our little fruit bowl here. It is looking so cute and colorful. Makes me so happy. But with that being said, I think this is the end of another LA vlog. Definitely make sure to like, subscribe, and follow both of our socials. I'll have them on the screen, linked, or both. Do all that because you don't want to miss out on the other amazing vlogs that we have coming, and we're so excited. We're so excited. I'm here for 2 whole weeks, and today is only day 1, and we've done so much already.
Yeah.
I'm so freaking excited. So sure to subscribe, and of course, as always, thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you soon. Bye.